What's going on, guys? Raven here, bringing you guys another update. So behind me you guys can see all of the stuff that I've got. I got a bunch of stuff that I'm going to show you guys that are getting replaced on the Jeep, and we're also going to show the motor. It's actually just about finished being rebuilt, so I'm super excited to share that with you guys. Stick around. All right, guys, so first off, I've got all 8 quarts of ATF plus 4 for the transmission drain and refill. Got a crap ton of other parts. Got motor mounts, we've got ignition coils, spark plugs, coolant for flushing out, bringing that new radiator in, trans oil cooler lines, belt, thermostat housing, idler pulley, whole bunch of crap. The muffler, the headers are in this big box below the lighter stuff. There's a brand new cat, exhaust tip, water pump, crank position sensor, those radiator hoses I showed you guys. I mean, it's all out. There's an alternator in this box as well. We're going all out on this thing. We are going all out soon. Back under here, these leaf springs, U-bolts, and all the gearing in the rear end are going to be replaced as well. So it's going to be nice. Fuel pump, fuel filter, all that fun stuff. So we've got one more portion for you guys. We're going to show you the motor. It's just about finished being rebuilt, and I can't wait for you guys to see that. So here we go.